Find the points at which the graph of the equation negative 4y equals 15 minus 5x crosses the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, we call the place where a line crosses an axis the intercepts. So this would be the y-intercept because this is where it crosses the y-axis. And this over here would be the x-intercept because this is where it crosses the x-axis. So to find those points, it'd be nice if we graph the line, and we'll use the calculator to do that. But in order to use the calculator, we need to get the y by itself. So let's do that. We have negative 4y, and we want 1y. So what we need to do is do the opposite of what they're doing here, and they're multiplying negative 4 times y. So we would divide by negative 4. When I go to the other side, there's two ways I can do it, and I'll show you both ways. I can divide the whole thing by negative 4, or I can divide each separate part by negative 4. So I'll just do it. And I'll show you on the calculator that they give you the same thing. Now here my negative 4 cancel, and I have y equals 15 minus 5x over negative 4. Or this other one. I'm not going to rewrite it. Let's put it in the calculator. And when I put it in like this, I have to have parentheses on my numerator. Divided by negative 4. And we can graph that. There it is. Let's do the other one. 15 divided by negative 4 minus 5x divided by negative 4. Now I'm going to go up and turn the previous one off. So now the second one will be graphed, and I think you're going to find it's exactly the same. And it does appear to be the same line, but let's look at the table so we can compare the two. Oh, I need to turn that other one back on. So toggle him back on. When it's solid, we know that it will be graphed. And sure enough, here they both are. And you can see that the y's are the same for each one. Now we, again, remember, are looking for the intercepts. That's this point and this point. Now the x-intercept, we're going to have some number for x. I don't know what it'll be, some number. And then y is going to be 0 because we don't go up or down. We stay on the x-axis. And for the y-intercept, we're going to have 0 for the x because we don't go right or left. And we're going to have some number for y. So this is what our points will look like, and if I look at my answer choices, every single one of them is like that. So let's look back at the table, and here I see that 1 is 3, 0. So that would be my x-axis, 3, 0. So I'm looking for one with 3, 0. There it is. And there it is. So these two have been eliminated. Notice that they both have 0, 3. Now the y-intercept, we're going to have 0 for x and some number for y. And right up here, if we go look at that, here's when x is 0, y is negative 3.75. So this is close, but this is x is negative 3.75. So that is wrong. There's my answer. Calculator is very nice to use on these.